Give some to May. I do. But then it splashes. Okay, come.
Can I ask your dog something? Yeah. Can I get an ow ow?
It's like okay, hold on.
Oh, really? Get down. Really? I'm working here. Get down.
Give me your paw. Give me your paw. She didn't like the river water for this. It was too far out for her. So we've been renting clothes in town. She's gotta get a running start.
Get it. Get it.
He was accused of target. Probably his killer.
Blah 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 blah. Bang. To you, happy birthday, dear Nala. Happy birthday to you. One. Rock? Yay!
That is enough. I said enough. No, you're not going to talk back to me. When
You want to go with me? For a ride? In the car? Okay, let's go.
Make a new game that's fun, that doesn't do much. And let everyone know that.
It's almost like he's swimming in the air.
Years ago, this could come out.
No! No! That's what?
Yeah, now it's taken. There she goes. She's swimming in the bird bath.
Hello, Scooter. Should we talk? What do you think? Okay.
No, don't be naughty. No,
Happens when you eat your mother's muffin. Bet you won't do it next time, will you, Luna?
That's leverage. Oh, you're so cute.
You just hear him making so much fun.
Come on, good girl. It's a good girl. The door's open.
Who's home? Grandpa here?
Is Brecken home? Come on, get it. Come on, it's open. Oh, you're such a good girl. Hey, what are you doing? Later, what are you doing? Come on. You gotta get out of here. You silly.
Are you begging? Good boy.
Get it. Get it. Get it, Chewy.
Let's go play ball. Let's go.
He's now a very all-American dog with a Starbucks cup.
What are you doing?
Marlo?
Go get your blanket. You're back.
Can you lose 20 pounds? Huh? Can you lose 20 pounds? You have...
Can you please tell me what are you doing? And why are your dogs crazy?
Better here, look. It doesn't even have electric power either.